Yeah, Jamaica I come from, Zane.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Yeah, come from Jamaica, man. Nah, but that ass though, you know what I'm saying? I live in New York and everything. Where you from? I don't know how to smile. I don't just look good.
Yeah, that's crazy.
What happened? What was crazy?
Yeah, how you?
You know, say people try to cut me off nowadays, you know. So I have to take all the compliment we can get. What? Eh? What is it? What? Nah, I talk like this though, for real, that ass. Yeah. Yeah, you feel me? Like, nah, I'm saying, what's good though? If you're good, YouTube, welcome back to another video with your boy Dingo. You know what I'm saying? It's late night, so we about to hop on the Yee app, you feel me? Hopefully, there's a whole bunch of girls on there so we could talk and, you know what I'm saying, get cracking, you feel me? Enough talking, though, let's get into the video.
Thuggin' in the bitches to the rolling. Chop, chop, fit, no rolling. Smoking that pot cause I'm rolling. Drop top fit, no rolling. Oh! Smoking that pot cause I'm rolling. Drop top fit when I'm rolling. We gon'
Bro, I'm not talking to no niggas on this shit, bro. Straight baddies, feel me? Ugh, my arm. Yo.
My due date in 2 more weeks. I'm so excited. My baby coming.
Yo, what?
My baby.
Oh, you having a baby? Let me see the belly. Let me see belly now. Oh, see, yeah, try to fool people. Probably not even my baby daddy. Yo, ooh, got some light skins up in here. All right. I like this. What's up?
Hi.
What y'all doing?
Nothing.
Alright, okay. Have a good night. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna tell them to have time, but they look like they shy, so fuck it. Yo, ooh, we got some.
Can I eat your dog?
What?
Can I eat your dog? Say that, Kaylee.
You wanna eat my dog? Why? Cause you Chinese or Asian or whatever it is?
Can you tell? I'm Asian. I'm actually half Korean. Don't assume my.
I mean, you just said you wanna eat my dog, so. Yeah. Ooh, what's up, light skin? Well, go on. Everything good? What? Yeah, man, I'm chilling. You good? You cute, girl. Yeah, look at her smiling. She was about to add time too.
My lips crusty.
You damn right that shit crusty. Your lips crusty too. Ugly ass. Them dirty ass braids. Your crooked ass teeth, nigga. My dick could fit through your spaces, nigga. Fuck out of here. Talking about my lips big. That's great. Girls will devour my lips. What the fuck? Are you dumb? Yo, what's good, light skin?
Hi, DeAndre Dingo.
How you doing? Why you rolling your eyes at me? What did I do to you?
I was thinking of how to say your.
Oh, let me guess. You was about to say Diego, right?
No, I was trying to remember what it said.
I swear to God, bro. I hop on the game. Everybody be like, Diego. Like, no, nigga, it's Dingo.
I'm W-E-T.
And you're so ugly. Fuck out of here, nigga. Get them braces out of here, boy. You better hurry up and take them shits off, cause you looking wild, like wild, bro. Yo, you look like you 12, my nigga.
I'm 17. You're 17.
Don't come at me like that. You ugly, first of all. So don't even start with me. Fix your hair, okay? Fix your hair. I'm asleep. She reported me. Yo, what it do, light skin? Oh, I like the buns from me. I could do that too, but you know, I'm lazy. You know what I'm saying? Let me see your face. Like, how you look, girl? Oh, you look like a little ass kid, boy. Oh my God, man. Yo. What it do, glasses? What's poppin', man? I gave y'all a joke. Yo, while going, ooh, light skin. Hey, yo, guess what, man? Would y'all want to be my boyfriend?
Wait, what do you think?
Y'all want to be my boyfriend?
Yeah.
So y'all guys want to have sex? Hey, got dropping on you, man. She. Yo. Ooh, y'all dancing? Twerk a little something. I was trying to act like I froze. Yo.
Oh, Poppy, how you doing? Can I finger pop that asshole?
No, but your girl, yo, tell your girls to pop some titties though. I'm trying to see some titties. Oh, and I'm not trying to see you, bro. Come on, man. I'm not trying to see. I'm trying to see the girls, man. Why he playing like that? I'm trying to see the girls, bro. The girls, man. Yo, what it do, girl?
Yeah.
Was crack-a-lacking, you feel me? What's good? Yo, you trying to pop a titty? Hey, man, you gotta try your luck. It's late night, feel me? Some girls be feeling kind of kinky. Girl, what go on me with? Everything good? On the dep on the things? Not do good in that school? Stay in that school?
What was your accent, bro?
Respect. You don't know, saying. What go on, gases? What go on? I should do the accent for the rest of this video, right? Everything good? You're nice, you're sweet, you're sexy. Let me see your face now. Me say, make me see your face now. At time. What the fuck? What going baby?
What?
What do you
said what?
Yeah, I'm Jamaican, man.
What? Where? You from the UK?
No, I'm from Jamaica. At time now, baby. At time now. Yo, yeah, do some side. What it do? Ooh, yo, shake a little something for me. Let me see a little. Let me see what y'all doing. What y'all doing? Let me get entertained. I'm bored. It's late night. And I was like, okay. Wait, no, it's okay. Damn, why you got to freeze, bro? I know they show some ass just now, man. But yo,
It's like the longest minute of your life.
why going baby?
What's up?
Why going light skin? What?
You from New Orleans?
What?
Okay.
New Orleans?
Sorry.
At time now, let me talk to man. I want to talk. At time now, make it. Oh, no, I'm not different New Orleans. What me depend? One of depend.
I see.
Alright, so
What's up with you? What's good?
yo, me a chilling on late night vibes, you know, man. Me just a relax and do me things, you know?
You have a nice accent.
Thank you. Respect, you know? Where from?
Hmm?
Where are you from?
Oh, Massachusetts.
Wait, how you say that? Massachusetts. Massachusetts.
Yes.
Massachusetts?
Yes.
Yo, I don't know if it says certain words, you know? I don't know if it says certain words.
What type of accent you have?
You tell me, guess. Make a wild guess. I'd one more time.
African?
What?
I don't know. I'm a little racist.
Add one more time, man.
Oh my god.
What the hell wrong with them girl, man? African? No disrespect. I'm African. Oh, what go on, girl?
Huh?
You can't do that for me. Oh, you look nice.
Okay.
What you mean, okay? Add time, man. Add time now.
What?
What you mean, okay?
What?
You don't want to blow some hook up on me? You look nice. Who she?
This boy.
I don't care about them boy. Are you me want to talk to? Fuck the boy.
You ugly as shit, boy. Stop playing.
Yo, me not worry about you right now. A girl me I try to talk to. Me not worry about you. Me I try to talk to the beautiful girl right in front of my face right now. See? You look, eh?
Huh?
What you say?
What?
Me say what you say. You say something, so me I try to figure out what you say.
I ain't say that.
He's speaking gibberish.
Hey boy, go name shit and go suck out your dry body. Yo. So what she go skip me so far? What me do? Ooh, what's good, light skin?
What's up?
Damn, girl, you both of y'all look good. Hold on, let me sit right real quick. Shit. Damn.
Yo, why do you have that thing on your name for?
What you mean?
Like, I don't know, you have like a little like purple stars.
Oh, it just mean I'm verified, you know?
You verified.
Yeah.
Yeah, for what?
Chill. That's classified information, you feel me?
Classified information.
Yeah, you can't give out too much, you know what I'm saying? Y'all related or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Y'all look alike. What are y'all, sisters, cousins?
Cousins.
Y'all could pass as sisters.
You think so? Really?
Yeah, y'all. I thought y'all were sisters. That's what I was thinking. Shit. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie though. Y'all look good. Shit.
Thank you.
Know what I'm saying? Yo, you know what if you take on Jamaica?
Pardon?
You know what if you take on Jamaica? Sweet, nice tropical country, you know?
Oh, you fag.
Yo, you see, nice and beautiful. Me taking on Jamaica and I want on the beach. Beautiful, nice. Yo, at time, let me talk to you real quick, man. Yo, say, nice, you know, man. Beautiful, blood clot. Look, I don't know how to smile. I just look good.
Yeah, that's crazy.
What happened? What was crazy?
Yeah, how you? Where are you from? Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
You're from Jamaica. My family's from Guyana.
You down there? Alright, okay.
Yeah, I'm mixed up.
What you mixed with?
I'm Puerto Rican and West Cherokee Indian.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie though, man. Y'all look good, shit.
Hey. Then
Hey,
add me on Snap or something.
of course, hey. Of course.
Don't up with it.
What's up? Yo, first of all, you got me right here, right? Then hey, just send your snap, man. Shoot, I have both of y'all, shit.
I mean, you want me to just put you in?
Yeah, right. Yeah, put me in right now.
Or what is it?
Alright, just put in kid, and then 2 extra D's and put 180.
So like it's 3 D's or 2 D's?
3 D's.
And 180?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, got it.
But what is you verified for?
Chill. I can tell. I'll tell you on Snap. I'll tell you on Snap.
Promise?
Yeah, I promise.
Don't lie to me.
Nah, I'm dead ass. I swear.
You better not lie to me.
Yo, my girl, me not lie to you, man. Me not lie. Trueness.
Fine.
Alright,
Alright.
don't worry. So I'm gonna let y'all go. Do you feel me?
Alright. You better tell me I'm not playing with you.
Nah, I am. I swear. Look, I swear to God. I swear to God. I'm gonna tell you.
Alright.
Alright, bet. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Yo, wagwan dark chocolate, everything good pon the seed.
It's a wild dark chocolate.
Yeah, man, wagwan dark chocolate, everything good. Hey, at time now, y'all. What y'all do? What time now? What the bomb? Oh, yo, why the girl in that background I try to talk smack about me? What she do?
What's that? She right here. Oh, that's why you was letting him talk like that.
What?
I said you fucking cute, so you take the fucking compliment.
Oh, you say me look good. Oh, thank you.
He said you sound look good. Thank you.
Yeah, man. You know, say people try to cut me off nowadays, you know. So I have to take all the compliment we can get. What? Eh? What is it? What? Nah, I talk like this though, for real, that ass. Yeah. Yeah, you feel me? Like, nah, I'm saying, what's good though, you feel me? Like, what's poppin'?
What's the deal? What's the deal?
Man, I'm chilling, you feel me? Well, like, wait. What? Yeah, she could do that all day though, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm playing. I only add that in because I thought Tom was one now. Nah, but yo, what's up with y'all? Though? Y'all chilling? Oh, y'all need some bud. Y'all need that good ganja.
Stop talking Jamaican.
Hey, y'all go suck.
You already did. What are you about to say?
Yo, your friend is wild, bro. I ain't gonna front.
Yeah, she really is.
Yeah, that. Look, man, I'd rather you not, okay? I don't know. I could get something.
I'm the innocent.
You the innocent one? Guess what? You ain't that innocent. I can see right through you, girl. Don't play yourself now.
Fucking breast
Don't play yourself now, you feel me? Don't play yourself now, girl. I'm the innocent one. You ain't that innocent, baby. No, 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 no. No. Ooh, girl, you look good. Wagwan B. You look nice, you know. You have a little dimple there, man. You have your braces. You look good, you know, girl.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Respect, Zine. Yo, at some time, let me talk to you a little bit now. Hey, what the bu- Damn, shit was going so sweet, and she gonna do that to me like that? Yo. Ooh. What's up? What's crack? I like
I
it.
know you YouTuber.
Lord Bumbleclad. You don't know me, man. You do. At time. She feeling. Yeah. Oh shit, it's late at night. I can't make too much noise. What it do, girl? You look good in a girl. Oh, wagwan. Oh, girl. Yo, go back over there, so. Oh, wagwan, girl. At time, man. At time. Bumbleclad. No, so I don't want to talk to me. Ooh, light skin, bomba. Hey, girl, hey, you look nice, you know? You know, say you're pretty?
What?
You're pretty.
What?
You're pretty. At time.
Who?
You, all I wanna. You,
Where
look.
from?
Yo, man, Jamaica, I come from, you know, girl.
You from Jamaica?
Hold on. Before I say anything else, what you all laugh at? What funny? Me give a joke?
Yeah, we're from New York.
Yeah, I live in New York too. Nah, what's good though? I live in New York, feel me? Like, dead ass though. I live in New York. What's up?
You're lying.
Nah, I swear to God, what am my mother?
You're lying.
Homie, I lie. Yeah, idiot. Homie, I lie. Yo, first up. Homie, I lie. Why y'all laugh at my girl? Everything funny?
You speaking gibberish. Your words don't even make sense.
Well, guess what? Go suck your blood clot mother. You hear me I say? Me gotta take man for fool and the dogs. Ooh, girl, you look nice, bomba. Hey, come back in the camera. At time, no girl. At time. Ooh, at time. Come back. You gotta come back for the. Oh shit, girl. You wear glasses?
Yeah, but
Oh, put the glasses on.
I don't have them with me.
Yo, I know for a fact if you put the glasses on, you gonna look like a sexy ass nerdy girl, bro. Oh my god, damn.
I don't have the glasses with me.
Yo, you look, hey girl, you're beautiful, you're bumbleclad. You look nice, you know, girl. Hey girl. You look nice. You're pretty. Hey, you look nice, you know, man. You see you, yo, guess what? Any man who get you, in my blessing from I get one blessing from God. Respect, man, respect, yo. You're pretty. Bomba clean. What? Look. Your teeth them straight to you know, so that's it.
I don't have straight teeth.
You sure? 'Cause you look pretty straight to me. You look pretty straight to me. That me I tell you from no, girl. You look good.
I don't have straight teeth.
Well, you better start believe it because right now you look good.
Thank you.
Nice, pretty. You look slim and nice too. You know, me just I go take one guess, but you know, yeah. Eyebrows fleek and everything. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the best looking girl me see on the app here since we come on, you know. Since we come on the app, yeah, the best looking girl me see right now. Yeah, me just I say you make me Nike. You look good in a girl, blood clot. Yeah, man. Respect it, you know. Respect it.
Where are you from?
Yeah, Jamaica me come from, see?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
Yeah, come from Jamaica, man. Nah, but that ass though, you know what I'm saying? I live in New York and everything. Where you from?
Dude.
Nah, for real though. I'm from Jamaica though. You don't believe me?
No.
Nah, that's why I was born and everything. I just live here in New York.
Oh.
You want me to switch it back again?
No.
You look beautiful in a baby blue clay.
Oh my gosh.
Now, where you from though?
Texas.
Ah, you deep, damn.
Yeah.
Don't worry though, you feel me? See a girl like you, you're pretty. Any man I go fly out to come to Texas for you, girl. You're nice. Yeah, where? You see me? Shoot, me even driving, I'm gonna look a buggy car and come get you. Even if it break down, I'll walk and come get you, girl. Hey, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, you look a little disappointed when I kind of switched up the way I talk. Yo, you look like, damn, shit, another American. That's how you made it seem, though. Nah. I'm really from Jamaica, though. And that accent wasn't fake. It was real. It was all real. You know, but yeah, but I had to bring on the New York talk on you real quick. Yeah, I knew you was gonna be surprised. You gonna be like, oh shit.
I know. It's like.
Hey man, I surprised myself too. Don't worry. I do. But you know what I'm saying, I don't want to keep up much of your time, so I'm gonna let you go though, okay? Alright, bye.
Bye.
You know what I'm saying? That's the end of that video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Dingo. Another day, another dollar.